Hello student, MS Sir is here and today we are going to solve word problems, that means the application of trigonometric questions of your 6.2 practice set. Okay, so we have already discussed about the word problem and we have already solved in our previous video. Among them, four questions was homework 5. So today we are going to solve the fifth question and sixth question. So fifth question. Fifth question says there are two poles. Two poles, they are erected on the ground. See, and their height is 7 meter and 18 meter. So we have pole 1 whose height is 18 meter and the another pole which have height of 7 meter. Okay. So they are on the surface of the ground. They are on the surface of ground, and the wire is from top of the first pole to the top of the second pole is fenced, and the length of the wire is 22 meter. Is 22 meter. Then we have to find this angle which is formed. This angle which is formed by the wire and here. Okay, so we had to find, suppose this angle is theta, so we had to find theta. Okay, so we have to consider this. See, this is a 7 meter, so this portion will be again 7 meter. This portion will be 7 meter. So this portion will be 18 minus 7, that means 11 meter. 11 meter. This is a angle. So this side, suppose this is a triangle A, B and C. This angle P is of 90 degree because this horizontal portion is perpendicular on the pole. That's why it is of 90 degree. So we can apply trigonometric ratio here. This is the first pole which have height of 18 meter. This is the second pole which have height of 7 meter. And the wire which is fenced from the top of the first pole to the second pole is 22 meter long. Then we have to draw this part, this line, because we had to form a triangle over here. So हमने क्या किया, C से B तक एक line draw किया which is parallel to the earth surface. That means this is the horizontal line and this is vertical line. So this angle is of 90 degree. Okay, so we can apply the trigonometric ratio here. So solution. So we have to explain the triangle first. In triangle ABC, or we can write in right angle triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90 degree and angle C equals to theta, that which we have to find. So in right angle triangle ABC, see, this is the theta. So sin theta equals to what? Sin theta equals to, we know sin theta equals to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So we have to write sin theta equals to AB divided by AC. And the height of AB is 18 minus 7 and 18 minus 7 is 11. So we have to write sin theta. Sin theta equals to AB is of 11 divided by AC. AC means hypotenuse is of 22. So 11 divided by 22 is 1 by 2. 11 ones is 1 and 11 twos are 22. So we can write sin theta equals to 1 by 2. So in our ratios where we have derived the theta, the value of different ratios, that means theta, which is for angle. So we have already solved the trigonometric ratios value at the different angle. So we know sin, if theta equals to 30 degree for sin, okay, is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore sin theta equals to 1 by 2, because we know since sin 30 degree equals to 1 by 2. So the angle theta will be of 30 degree. Therefore theta equals to of 30 degree. So this is the answer. That means this angle is of 30 degree. Okay. So this is the solution. Write down. So now we will solve the fifth question, and it is very interesting as well as important. Okay. So the question says there was a tree. See, there was a tree. When storm came, जब तूफान आया, so तूफान ने क्या किया, इस ट्री को ब्रेक डाउन कर दिया यहाँ से. Okay, so storm broke the tree and this part of the tree falls on the ground. This is the ground. So this top region of the plant fall down on the ground and makes an angle of 60 degree. And the top of the tree is 20 meter away from its bottom. Okay, then we had to find out the height of the tree. So here it is 90 degree angle. This is A, this is B, and this is C. And angle C is of 60 degree. So height of the tree will be AB and AC, because ये ट्री कैसा था, इरेक्ट था ना, बट यहाँ से टूट गया. सो ये वाला जो पोर्शन है वो यहाँ पर आ गया. दैट मीन्स हाइट ऑफ द ट्री क्या हो जाएगा, AB plus AC. Okay, so we had to find out the height by the information we have, this 20 meter and 60 degree angle. Only two information we have. On that basis we had to find out the height of the tree. So solution. We know the relation between adjacent side and hypotenuse. We have to calculate both this side. That's why we have to check the relation between opposite side and adjacent side and hypotenuse and adjacent side. So we have cos theta. So we know cos theta, that means angle is of 60 degree. So directly we have to write cos 60 degree equals to, what is cos theta equals to? We know adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? Here adjacent side is BC. So we have to write BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. So cos 60 degree equals to 1 by 2. So we have to write 1 by 2 equals to BC divided by AC. So BC is of, see, we have to calculate AC, so we have to transfer this to another side. First we will transfer AC. So AC will come here. So AC equals to, here we have BC. See, 2 अभी डिवीजन के फॉर्म में इस साइड में आएगा तो मल्टीप्लाई के फॉर्म में आएगा. So BC into 2 हो जाएगा. So AC equals to, what is BC? BC is 20. So 20 into 2. So AC equals to 20 into 2 is 40. So we got the value of AC. मीन्स हमको इसकी वैल्यू निकल गई, कितनी है? इट इज 40 मीटर. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट AB नाउ. So AB is opposite side. Opposite side and adjacent side में रिलेशन कौन शो कर रहा है? tan theta. So tan theta is of 60 degree. So we have to write tan 60 degree equals to, what is tan theta? Opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. What is opposite side? Opposite side is AB divided by adjacent side is BC. So tan 60 degree is root 3. So we have to write root 3 equals to AB divided by BC. So we have to solve this side. So we have to transfer this BC to another side. So what we will get? AB equals to root 3 into BC. Root 3 into BC. So AB equals to, we know root 3 BC is what? 20. So we have to write 20 now. So now we can put the value of root 3 and we will multiply by 20. So AB equals to, what is root 3? Root 3 is 1.73 into 20. So here you have to write in bracket root 3 equals to 1.73. Okay. So now multiply. AB equals to 23 are, see 0 को पहले लिख लेंगे, अब 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 14 का 4 कैरी करेगा 1, 2 1s is 1 and 2 is 3. 2 के बाद में पॉइंट है, 2 के बाद में पॉइंट दे दिया. So AB equals to what? AB equals to 34.6 meter. Okay, so this is the value of AB. So we have AB as well as AC. Both the value we have. So we can calculate the height of the tree. Now, height of the tree is AB plus AC. So what is AB? AB is 34.6 plus AC is 40 meter. So 40. So will 74.6 meter was the height of the tree. So we have answer now. So we have to write result. So result I am writing over here. Okay. So you have to write result on the downside of this portion. Okay, space नहीं है इसलिए I am writing here. The height of the tree was, अभी तो टूट गया ना, टूट गया तो हम was बोलेंगे बिकॉज ये पहले हाइट ये थी बट अभी वो टूट गया तो ये हो गया. तो उसकी हाइट क्या थी एक्चुअल में? 74.6 मीटर. 74.6 meter. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so this is the way you have to solve the word problem of trigonometry. So here we have completed our exercise 6.2. Here we have one question which is homework 5, question number 6. Okay, so by tomorrow we are going to start the problem set 6. And problem set 6 is have few questions which are really very simple. We have 10 questions. We have already solved in exercise or practice set 6.1 and 6.2. On that basis, you have to solve all these problems. Here we have 10 questions. So in tomorrow next video we are going to complete the problem set 6. Okay. सो मैं ये चाहता हूं कि अगर आप पहले इसको सॉल्व करो, सॉल्व करने के बाद इफ यू आर गेटिंग डाउट ऑन पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन देन वी विल सॉल्व दैट क्वेश्चन ओनली. ओके, एंड वन मोर थिंग, योर एग्जाम, योर यूनिट टेस्ट इज ऑन August. So I want you to prepare good for all the subjects, especially for mathematics and science. Okay, I want good marks in mathematics as well as in science. Okay, and if you are getting any kind of doubt, please do call me on my number 9730305883. Okay, so bye for now.